Shame. Hey guys, I was just blown away when I just walked into the bedroom. You know, I usually take off everything, not take off everything, I mean took my earrings off, and then I was just tidying up a little bit in there, and I didn't even notice it until I sort of, whoa, is this for me? Thank you so much. Look at that. Beautiful. What a surprise when I got home. I went to a Whiniona group today, Whiniona Plus, Mum's old group, and they were celebrating in Otahuhu, and it was so much fun to see everyone. And just to get home and be surprised, it made my day, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, and happy Mother's Day to you too, Michelle, for your first time being mum. And it's wonderful, isn't it? It's just really nice to be surprised. Thank you, guys. This has really made my day. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you in the next couple of weeks. Okay. So this is beautiful. I love it. I love the color. And it's going to be more buds coming out. Yeah, and there's the card. It says here, oh, Happy Mother's Day from Leroy, Luta, and Michelle. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And this little gift here, I couldn't even see it. Lucky I sort of felt it because it was well tucked in, and I just feel so special today. Thank you for making my afternoon lovely. And what is this? Coconut lime. I love coconut lime, I just needed some hand lotion too. I was using my old ones, and they're starting to sort of, you know, have that. That's Michelle. I think you had one like this, didn't you, Michelle? Oh, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Might just give you a call now, son. You would be home with you and Lita. Michelle, I think you had one of these. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Oh, that's a beautiful smell. Man, you don't need to wear perfume with a hand lotion smell like this. Beautiful. Thank you. Love you guys. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and to you, Michelle. Thank you.